Welcome to DJ TV.
My correct people, greet una, welcome now to DJ TV. My people, hey, Labour Party they don't vex like this o. Unto wetin dey happen for Imo State. Una know say this man for Imo State, this their governor, so wey dey go for second term, so they form one kind obedient movement wey be say e no legit. Right now, Labour Party don drag out this Emeka Madela, wey be the leader of Imo State obedience movement. Not be small thing o. They say he is not a representative of obedient movement. Make Imo State people make dem shine their eye well, because they just dey use that name obedient movement take chase class so that they fit take get votes. Make Imo State people open their eye, make dem vote the right person. Make not because of the name obedient movement make people take dey campaign take go vote for the wrong person. Una watch this video and make una share. Una see wetin dey talk.
I think it's the right time to address some certain issues with respect to the obedient support in Imo State. I want to state categorically clear that Emeka is not representing in any way the obedient movement. In fact, Mandela never came to the Labour Party as a member of the obedient. Mandela came to the party from one defunct, failed the registered NRM. He claimed to be their presidential aspirant, and the scam was that they will come and step down for His Excellency Mr. Peter Obi when they saw that there is no other candidate running for 2023 presidential election than His Excellency Mr. Peter Obi. So he came and said he's stepping down for His Excellency Peter Obi, and even from that day, his antecedents were well known. Many party leaders kept distancing him. He fought tooth and nail to appear in the Presidential Campaign Council. His name was not there. His name was not put. He's not a member of the Presidential Campaign Council. Let him prove it. Let him show us where his name is written in the Presidential Campaign Council. But in the wisdom of our party national chairman, Barrister Julius Ebure, who is a father, who doesn't like throwing young people away, he brought him close and made him to work closely with the party. And that is the only connection that Mandela had with the whole process. Mandela is never an associate, he's never a friend to any of the obedient support groups. In fact, I have in evidence many people that are willing to testify against him that they sponsored most of his trips and activities. So I want to use this opportunity to inform the Imo State citizens, especially the obedient youth in Imo State, to desist forthwith from listening to the person called Mandela. Recently, he's sharing his pictures with Peter Obi. It has informed us the reason why he always jump around to stay around Peter Obi for camera to pick him. We never knew that he has this plan today to use the obedient to begin to engage into political marketing. So I want to use this opportunity to call on all the obedients in Imo State to get ready and get prepared for 11th November 2023 to vote out bad leadership from Imo State. Imo State, I've always said it, is among the best states in the southeast, but today, poor leadership have denied the citizens what they are supposed to get, dividends of democracy. Look at what is happening in Abia State, where the governor have taken the bull by the horn in terms of infrastructure masterpiece, and is going on with all manner of people-oriented projects in Abia State. This is just a tip of an iceberg of what is going to be happening in Imo State when Senator Atana Achonu is elected come 11th November 2023. So with this address, I want to put to rest every argument, every suspicion about the relationship of Emeka Madela with the Labour Party or with the obedient movement. These are just few and part of the young people that are already infected by the old order. And he has shown himself that he lacks consistency, that he lacks credibility, that he can be trusted, and he should stop sharing the pictures he took with our champion, Mr. Peter Obi, our leader, Mr. Peter Obi. He should stop brandishing those pictures. We know where he belongs now. That picture cannot save him. We know that a lot of people do all manner of things. In fact, sometimes when you are passing on the road, you see people who will now put their picture and Peter Obi picture. Peter Obi picture is an access to everything now in Nigeria because he's the only person that represents good governance. But in this matter, in Imo State, His Excellency Mr. Peter Obi came around and raised the hand of Senator Atan Achonu as the Imo State governorship candidate. So we are not supporting any other person than Senator Atan Achonu. Every obedient, all the obedient have shown solidarity. They've shown capacity, they've shown commitment. Many of them have not betrayed this movement, despite all manner of provocations. But few elements that cannot be trusted have started engaging in political marketing. This is what the movement is talking about. We cannot maintain the status quo. We cannot go back to political marketing and political hawking. That is what that person called Emeka Madela is doing. So the youth of Imo State, take your future into your hand and don't listen to those kind of people that are instruments of backwardness in this generation. We are determined to take back our country. We are determined to take back Imo State, to take back Bayelsa, to take back Kogi, and even Edo State, Ondo State. And in general, we are confident that we are taking back Nigeria by the virtue of the Supreme Court. Thank you.
DJ